Hi everyone, today we're working on the 928 again. Last video we were able to get the car to crank over, all the wiring is all sorted in that regard. Today we're going to be checking the compression on the engine itself. I don't like throwing money into a project until I know the engine is good. It's not always cost effective to throw parts into something until you kind of know what you got and what you're dealing with. In this particular car's case, the intake's got this weird design where it's obstructing the ability for the airbox to get out on its own. So you'll see me pulling some of the intake off the car to clear that so I can get the plugs out. There's no great way to get the DSLR camera in there to show you where the plugs are. So I'm using the phone again. Right down here we have our first spark plug wire. And pull this up. You can see right down there this first plug. If you keep going down the line, there's another one, followed by the other two back there. I'm going to start pulling all of them and pull these plugs out. Man, these plugs are really in there. Alright, let's get the rest of them out. Alright, well it turns out in order to get the airbox off, you have to take the intake off. That's a terrible design. We'll continue pulling the plugs and we'll do that compression test. Alright, here are the plugs correlating with the cylinders here. This is going to be our right side bank. This is the left side for the front to back. We actually have pretty even burn across the plugs. They've got this conical design and I think that's part of the plug itself. I'll have to confirm with this part number online to see if that's accurate. As of right now, I don't see anything too problematic. Say we keep going. I'm now going to start threading my compression tester into the spark plug holes. It's just a cheap one off of Amazon. I think this cost me between $20 and $30. Not too bad. Alright, crank for 5 seconds. Alright, that looks like 140. It's not horrible. Alright, this is cylinder 6. Go for it. 5 seconds. About 130 to 132. Alright, go for it. Like 123. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, that time was only 90. Let's say 93 on this one. Alright. That's 65.
65.
Oh. Alright. That's cylinder 2, go for it. 80.
Alright.
good. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh no. 55, 56. Yeah, this one's 56. Alright. Go for it. Okay. 50.
So is it all on one side?
53. So bank 1 is significantly lower than bank 2. I'm going to have to talk to the owner and see what he wants to do here. Well, we did not get the results we were hoping for today. Bank 1 seems to be significantly lower on compression than bank 2. We're looking at 65, 80, 56, and 53 psi from 1 through 4. 5 through 6 look okay. They should come back no problem. I spoke with the owner here and he agreed to just keep throwing parts at it. And to his point, I do think it's a very good chance that the compression will come back. A little while ago when I was working on that Z4 build series, the engine I put in it had basically zero compression because it had been sitting so long and the rings weren't oiled anymore. Once we got it started and it ran a couple times, the compression jumped right back up and we were sitting around 160 to 180 psi on each cylinder. So I have faith in this Porsche engine that hopefully it'll come back. The next process is going to be ordering parts for this thing. I'm going to work on trying to get some spark. Once I know that works pretty well, then we'll move on to the fuel system, and then hopefully we'll be all set and this thing will run. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short this week. In the meantime, you guys take it easy and I'll catch you in the next video.